Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder. Yes, we're going on with the Batman build. Right here, as you see, 74, we've got 75 and 76 as well. This is the next build, 74. There you see a little bit more about those comics. We know how this went because we already did one, but that's it for this stage. And then we're going to do something different to what we've done before. So let me put this one out. And I know, Hans, you don't like the orange part, but I'm sorry. We've got to do with it. Stage 74. We've got CM screws in this build, so we don't need to think of what screws we need, just the CMs. And let's start. Remember, large hole, small hole, large pin, small pin. We just push them in, and that's it. Then we get that one out, and we put it on, if I remember correctly, like so. We turn it around, and we've got 3 posts to put screws in, and we all know which screw that is because we've done them already. We're copying of what we did in 71, 72, I think. Don't tighten it completely. Dip it in a bit of oil. That tip of that screw. Now I tighten it up on this side and on that side, and we do the middle one as well. So 1, 2, 3 CM screws, and that is what we have. Let's put that to the side and see what we do in 75. '75, as you can see right there. More about the comics. I don't like that part of the magazine, that's not me. And we have the left ear intake griddle as well. So we're going to put those two together, and that's it. So we're having a quick one again. Right there, 75. And that. Okay, let's open this up. Yep, that's it. That's the air intake for the left hand side, and this is the grill that goes with it. I don't think we need to explain how that needs to go on. That goes on pretty nicely, as you can see right there. Then we get those SMs out, and as it's an M screw, we dip it in. Yes sir. As you can see right there, and in below here, 2 screws are to put that in, and that's all we do here. So we're going to leave that to the side and see what we do in the next. Which is the last part of this pack. 76, as you can see right there. It seems that there's not a lot happening in this one either. As you can see, we're just putting a left intake flap with pin and hinge. So let's get that out and get that out. And some more CM screws, as you can see right there. We've got that part. And this is a heavy part, so that is metal. There you go. Let's open it up completely so we know we're not leaving anything in there. That goes for this one as well. Sorry if that crackled in the microphone or not. So that is a pin. And let's see what we do. We push that pin that is already out there into that side, and we push it over so that is over there. And then from the outside in, so from this side, we push that pin that we got in. It doesn't come out easily. So we put it on like so, and we get some CMs out again and put those on. And we have that on like so. That is what we finish with. Let's see if I can turn it thus that you see. Oh, well, there you go, it's there. And that's that stage and the full pack done. So thank you very much again. Let's turn it this way. Thank you very much again for watching me. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this beautiful tumbler or any of those in the background or on my channel. So hope to see you there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.